Everybody is looking for answers in tough times. But what if the answer is simpler than we think? As a grocery store worker, I've made many friends. Andy was one of them. We often had deep spiritual talks. One day Andy said, "I don't think I believe in God anymore." Shocked, I invited him to chat during my lunch break. Andy shared his struggles. I just listened. I asked, "How did you wake up today?" He replied, "I just woke up." "God woke us up." I said, "And feel your heartbeat." "How are you doing that?" He said, "I'm not." "Exactly, God is," I replied. I handed Andy a paper and pen. "Write today's date." He did. "Every time you write the date," I said, "you acknowledge something world-changing happened 2,000 years ago." Andy began to see God all around him again. We all have moments of doubt. In those times, pray, "Lord, help my unbelief." Focus on what strengthens your faith, not what weakens it. And remember, life is better with faith.